Researchers in California say 2 successfully cloned stallions have reached a milestone that marks the first of its kind for an endangered species. The breakthrough aims to bring valuable diversity to Przewalski's horses, a species once declared extinct in the wild, News.com has discovered. A team of researchers from the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance led the experiment that produced 2 males. Kurt was born in August of 2020 and Ollie arrived in February of 2023. This is the first time that multiple healthy clones have been produced for an endangered species, the researchers wrote in a study preprint published by bioRxiv on Tuesday, January 9. The team used fibroblast cells from a stallion who lived from 1975 to 1998 to create the clones, because he was identified as being a genetically valuable male for present-day conservation breeding, the study said. Researchers at the zoo shipped a vial of the historically cryopreserved fibroblast cells to a commercial cloning company in Texas called Via Gen Pets and Equine, who performed the experiment. 11 reconstructed embryos were produced, which were then transferred to 11 domestic horse surrogate mares, resulting in 2 pregnancies that birthed Kurt and Ollie, the study explained. This represented the 4th endangered species to be successfully cloned, the researchers said, but when the horses survived past the neonatal period, they became the first clones of an endangered species to do so. This is the first viable opportunity for clones of an endangered species to fulfill their purpose, to reproduce and rescue valuable genetic diversity for conservation breeding, the study said. The researchers went on to say that the method could be reproduced, creating new pathways for cloning to be used in fostering resilience and genetic sustainability of endangered species. The 2 stallions, who are genetic twins, live at the zoo's safari park. Przewalski's horses reach sexual maturity at 2.5 to 3 years old. The animals are called taki in Mongolia, where they are appreciated as a symbol of resilience, according to a September Zoo News release. The species was formerly extinct in the wild, but has survived for the past 40 years almost entirely in captivity in zoos. Extensive efforts have been underway over the last 100 years to first appreciate this noble horse, and then save it from extinction, the statement said. There are roughly 3,000 Przewalski's horses living today, and nearly every member of the species is related to 12 native individuals, meaning more work needs to be done to maintain genetic variation and ensure the species' survival, the researchers said. Several hundred Przewalski's horses live in the wild in Mongolia, China, Russia, Kazakhstan, and Hungary.